is right from the end of part 2, and the net keeps going on as the click track in part 3 happens. We dip on 12, 9, 10, 11, 12. We roll 12 counts, and we release a 5, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, and behind the back, a 5. So we go out, our right arm comes across into the sweep. We are looking over our left shoulder, we look ahead. So that would be 9, 10, 11, 12, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 1. We will turn around on that 6th stand and catch on count 1. And then we are going to hold 1, 2, and that's when we start tracking and then we will count 3. So we're trying to catch on there with the block our arm all the way extended up. And that one is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. And then just like a little loop. So when you do that carry, inside of our arm, we push the butt, we loosen that grip so it's touching that pointer and then down. It carries across my bicep, and then I grab my thumb up and do that little loop. And that is 5, 6, 7, 8. 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then this is going to be tipped down, and we're going to push over on 9, 10, 11, 12. And we can bring our feet together. My left arm just stays engaged on the back here. And then we're going to look to the front, 3rd, 4th on this little loop. And then we're going to do that 3rd, 4th. Let's take that left foot forward. And then we're going to throw this much and pull it back just a little bit. So you can lift up this right leg and touch underneath our right leg. 9, 10, 11, 12, 3rd, 4th. We lift up 5th, 6th, 1, 2, 3. And it's really important that on that count 1, we do that big open body thrust around really quickly. So that first 16, I'll face this way so you can follow along. 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 1, 2, up, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Throw a trick toss on 9, 10. Flat 9, dip 10, out 11, and if you can do a walkover, you should certainly do a walkover. Other than that, you should do every one. A two-turn, a luge, a sit and spin, a sit roll that you stand up and catch, a touchback, whatever you feel comfortable with. It should just be something that you catch flat, and you can do it under a 6, because we're trying to throw a 6 and all catch the same time. So when we throw this toss, you want to be down here at the swivel, and you want to make sure that you're really open, that you're looking at and really throwing it over your head so you can spot. So my release point is very similar to all those ones that we've done before, which is just releasing directly over the center of our head. So that is 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. 1, 2, 3, 4, up and over here, and then we establish that flat and throw a nice strong 6, and we catch on 15. And then on 16, he goes well. So we're going to do a little head count on 16. So that's 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. We're going to chasse do this loop. 3, 4. So that is chasse 2, and you kind of split right underneath the board, and you kick back in 3, 4, 5, 6, and catch it up, and then you pull up 7, 8. And there's that hard accent right there. So we go 3rd, 4th, 5th, yeah, 1, 2, 4. Start 5, 6. Is that lean away into the right here? 7, 8. From here, and then we go right, left, and then sit around. We go right, left, so we get to this half, and we go left, right, to get to this next half. And then we throw a quad, and we catch half to half. So you just want to throw a nice open quad in the butt. This again, you want to make sure that you're not putting too far down the butt so that it's really lofty and open. These need to be treated like full squeezes, so you can see that lift, squeeze, dip, out, up, squeeze. So that is 9, 10, 11, 12, dip, 13, out, 14, 15, 16. So we just went 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, chasse 2, tap, catch. That's really thinking about from here, lifting up with that tip side so you can get underneath that back hand. Lift this up over here on the left side, pull it in. Here we go. Bop, bop, bop. That's just a tiny one. Then you want to lift up and pull down with your left. Work it with your right, pull down with your left. Left, right. that's third, fourth, fifth, sixth. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Comes down to here. So it's just the palms going down to the tip of the ground. The ground, we grab it over our right hand. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you're just going to throw a double. And my arms can both circle at the same time if you feel comfortable, or one arm can circle. So here we go, left, right, left foot in, knees, 9. And you're going to do a little pass down, thumb flip up, and grab it here on count 12 with both of my thumbs down. So that is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We pull our right foot in, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 1, 2, 3. So the reason we're doing that is because he says bigger, so we're trying to be bigger on 15, 16, and then he says optimistic, so close up to it, and then we go into the next part. So watch the musicality of that stuff in the video with the rap so you can understand what accents we're really trying to hit, because that's what's the coolest part about this, and it's just about you guys, it's just about the roll across rifles in this section. So we're here on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That will come with them. We lift up third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we dive over 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 1. So that is just a quad. And I push my arms over here to my left side. And then when I cut, I want to just pull my left hip and my left hand into my left hip quickly so I can go instantly into that way back. So I think that will help you, and we will do the second half of this choreography right now. 12, so you can catch 15 and go back down on 16. Your head suspends down on 16, and he goes again. We have third, fourth, fifth, we go lift. So we want to put the weight on our butt so we can sweep our legs around. 1, 2, 3, 4. We come down to both knees on the ground. We come up 5, 6. So we're thinking about lifting our rifle and putting our hand underneath, so my thumb's in front, and this hand pushes across. He says drops and stops. So we drop to our knees on the drop, and then we push this left hand across on the way to stop. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to want to loop your rifle and get it to the other side of your hand. And then we're going to do this hitch kick. We go 9, 10. So that is jumping onto our left knee and kicking our right leg to the front right 45. So it comes down. And then I want to use this right hand to help me get my weight up, boom, and kick as high as I can right there on the hitch kick. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We just hitch kick our rifles back here. We're going to go 11, 12, third. We're going to release a triple right here on 4, 5th, 6th. So when I release this in the video, I release it a little high. I want to really see high again. I want to really make sure high again, guys. This rifle is a 36, so I'm excited. I want to be able to pull down right here and think about under rotating it and being able to pull that butt to the left corner to make it nice and tight and sharp. So that's third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Then we go to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. We cut the cross. So we go to the right, 3, 4. Then you're going to set this rifle back like this and not look at it. And this is 5, 6, 7, 8. And our body is going to follow our rifle because he's saying, question what I was doing. So we're trying to pick up the rebound of the word doing. So yeah, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. We let that body really open up. Then we pass it into our backhand 9, 10. My right foot comes in, it slices across 11, 12, which just slices from the same 45 angle, slices on the 45 right there. 9, 10, 11, 12, and then we do a little palm swing, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So that is essentially doing a thumb roll, but keeping our whole hand open right there. So we're not doing a thumb roll and grabbing on top. We're doing a open hand roll. So I then grab underneath right there. So from the review time, we have third, fourth, fifth, on, 1, 3, 4, 5, stop, 8, 9, 10, 11, stop, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 1, 3, 5, 9, 11, third, fifth, sixth. So we just push off there. Then we're gonna, I'm passing the short, give a pat on the back. So I'm doing a really open toss right there. So I'm going from third, fourth, fifth, sixth. I grab under right here, and I'm going to do a really open hand lofty toss, and then catch under right here with my thumb under at the neck. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm going to twist it so my bolt is up when I release. So that's my back, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, out 6, catch 7, and it keeps going on 8. And I'm going to do this little back swing. My right leg comes off the ground over here. 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's just a little half. Back swing with both arms. Leg comes out. 11, 12. We then switch my hand on point, which is count 13. And I switch my hand to be on top like this. Third, and then I just take 4, 5, 6. So, boom, point, switch my left foot out. Third, 13, 4, 5, 6. Passes on 1, 3. So that's 1, 2, 3. I'm talking about falling down. So from here, we want to lift this up big, and then sink around and take 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to get to here at this tight angle. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we do a little butt spin. 9, 10. So that's just literally a drop spin on the left, and then we're going to throw a double and a half. So that's 9, 10, 11, 12, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. So that is the rifle stuff. So I suggest just working on that stuff first to make sure that you feel comfortable with the rifle side of things. So we're here, boom, 11, 3rd, 4th, into that backhand, tap, tap. And when you do those taps, it's important that you tap right underneath the bolt rather than at the neck, because you're trying to keep the same rate of speed that you just had when you release that gun. So that is 9, 10, up, tap, catch in this backhand. And we're going to start fan kicking, and you're going to want to get that rifle all the way to the other side of your leg, so the tip can lift up, and I can grab this back. And I want to kind of really under rotate it, so it can get to this angle versus tip straight up and down, so that we can unwind on destined for a better life. So going back from here, we got 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, passing short, pat on the back, 9, 11, 20, 6, 1, 3, fall down, 7, 8, 9, 11, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 1, 3. So that is on destined. And the cool part, and if you watch the video and see the detail, we do that tap here, and then from here we want to circle that butt on the top and use both arms and lean back on destined. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 1, 2, 3. We're going to start moving on 4. We're going to loop back 5, 6. On the right side of the body, and I grab with my thumb up, my tip up, and I go petrify. So I'm trying to have a harder line here, and I know I didn't hit hard enough in that video, but we're trying to go destined for a better life. What? I'm destined for a better life. Something that I'm petrified. So that should be a hard hitting one. So my feet go boom, right, left foot step, and I get lower here with my legs. So that's 7, 8. And I'm going to press 9, 10. So from here, that's just really unwinding and grabbing, and I should make sure my butt's in it, because I know it's sometimes up to 45. So that is 9, 10, 11, 12, 3rd, and I get to the flat back, and I'm releasing the butt on 4th, 5th, 6th. And that is, I guess it's a double and a half. So we got from the butt to the tip. So that's 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. We're going to drop it down. Don't look down. So I'm going to turn that squat, because I think parallel squat's really good for the kneecaps. So we just catch and instantly drop down. Don't look down. 3, 4. So my rifle just sneaks around my front and gets to the strap behind me there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to do a tilt and just press our rifle out away from us. So extend that right arm, and my tilt is a right leg tilt. Really make sure you sink into that left hip there and try to get that leg up as high as possible. Don't just kick straight up and down. That won't be a good tilt. So if you have other questions, we can have someone tutorial it for you. So just let me know. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm just going to fall into this right leg, and then I'm going to throw a double on 11, 11, 12, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. So that is a double flourish. And then I think about lifting up, and I'm going to spot that neck, and it's just a tiny one. So make sure you're not doing like 7 more rotations, because this has very little amount of flick and more of this natural glide lift. So that's 9, 10, 11, 12, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to be in a 4th right there. I'm going to dip on 4, flat 3, dip on 4. I release, I bring my right foot in over here, and then I extend out, and your leap can be bigger. Mine was pretty small. I was tired, and it was very hot, and I'm so sorry if it's 90 everywhere you go too, because this gym has no air conditioning, so that's why I'm out of breath. That's 3, 4. You want to pull it in, and then you want to push out that left foot, and really try to extend those legs out, and get them a little bit higher than like looking like there's no energy or no suspension in it. And then you're going to pull that bad boy left foot in all the way down to the ground, and then we'll be connecting to the silent part, which is a totally different video and will be helpful for you to do it in 2 different videos so you don't have to try to catch and instantly get back up. So, here we go. We just did a question I was doing. Greatness we were pursuing, passing the court, pat on the back, point. We got 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 6. Don't look down. 4, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13, 1, 2, 5, 7, 8. Again, not the best jump, but you guys can hook it a little farther to your right and get it out. That's why it is important that you hook that 6 a little to your right so you can jump to go get it versus feeling like you have to stay in one spot. So that is Z to double C for world class rifle, and then you have another video from double C to double D. Double D! Almost done.